We start making this no-sew hair bow by zigzagging our ribbon into 5 equal length sections. Once you have your piece of ribbon folded, we're going to put the lengths together, and you're going to pinch at the middle, scrunching all of the bow together. You don't need to worry too much about making it beautiful at this point, because after you tie the ribbon with the ribbon thread, you can organize your ribbon however you want it to be. So next you take your ribbon thread, tie it around. You can use ribbon wire, you can use thread, you can use whatever you have. Just make sure you tie it tightly. Cut off any excess. Now you can take a moment to rearrange your ribbon pieces. I like to put both my tails on the same end. Next, we're going to make our knot to cover the center where your ribbon wire is. So you just fold the ribbon over like you're making an awareness ribbon, and then take your top fabric loop through and just pull. We tie this around the center. I made a double knot in this video, but I did find later that as long as you use the lighter to melt the ribbon enough, you don't have to double knot it. You can just do the one pass through, and it melts the ribbon enough that it'll hold together without double knotting. That also makes it easier to glue the alligator clip because it's not so bulky. So now we're going to take the lighter and we're going to just pass over the ends of our ribbon. We don't want to catch it on fire, we're just melting the edges so that they don't fray. And then same with the back of your ribbon where the knot is. Now it's time to glue on our alligator clip. Make sure you press pretty firmly so that the glue sticks to the ribbon. A little more touch up and you're finished.